What happens when Lamborghini turns everything it knows about speed, performance, and exclusivity and convert it into one insane roadster? Today, we are going to see the Hot Wheels 16th Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, a tiny diecast replica of one of the Lamborghini's most exclusive and outrageous supercars ever made. And by the end of this video, you will get to know why this little tiny diecast deserves a serious spot in your Hot Wheel collection. Hey collectors, welcome to the channel Collect with me. If you love Hot Wheels, diecasts, and everything automotive, make sure you have subscribed to the channel because I bring you brand new reviews and detailed looks to some of the coolest Hot Wheels out there. So without wasting any more time, let's get our hands on this beauty. The artwork immediately gives you that Lamborghini feeling. Aggressive, exotic, and incredibly futuristic. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. The first thing that grabs my attention is the overall shape. The Centenario Roadster has an extremely low, wide, and aggressive stance, and Hot Wheels has done really a good job. Looking at the front, we get those sharp headlights, the aggressive front bumper, and those huge aerodynamic openings that makes the Centenario look like something straight out of the futuristic movie. Moving to the side, proportions really stands out. The long, low body, sculpted side panels, and those dramatic Lamborghini lines gives the casting a very exotic appearance. And of course, we can't forget those wheels. They complement the overall design really well and give the car that proper supercar stance. Now let's move towards the rear. The rear look absolutely insane. The Lamborghini logo, those rear lights, looks absolutely amazing. No roof means you get a completely different visual experience compared to the coupe. It's open, dramatic, and honestly, it looks like a tiny Lamborghini concept car sitting in the palm of your hand. For such a small model, there is a surprising amount of the character packed into this casting. Now let's talk about the real car. The Lamborghini Centenario was created to celebrate the 100th birthday of Lamborghini's founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini. Lamborghini didn't make an exactly ordinary supercar for this occasion. The Lamborghini Centenario was designed to be extremely powerful, extremely exclusive, and completely unforgettable. The Roadster version was produced in very limited numbers, making it an incredibly rare Lamborghini. Under all the dramatic styling was Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing over 770 horsepower. And this wasn't just about straight line speed. The Lamborghini Centenario was built around advanced aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and aggressive performance. And because the real Centenario itself is such a rare Lamborghini, having the miniature version of it makes it even more interesting for the collectors. For me, this car is a 9.5 out of 10. Now it's your turn. Rate this car from 1 to 10 and tell me in the comments, would you keep this beauty sealed or open it? So see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Who knows, next car could be your dream collectible.